I mean, it burnt these wires. It smoked it pretty good.
See the smoke on the backside? This is where I think it arced right here.
I think the wire just did this. That's exactly what I think it did. All right, here we got an issue I've really never had. I'm not even sure why it's happening. I've had two of them do it, but the wires on the lid switch is burned up. See how they're all smoked? I mean, if you could just smell-o-vision, you could smell it. What that is those wires arc somehow, whether the wires rubbed up against this metal over time from shaking or that switch went. So what we're going to do temporarily, because we have one new one down there that we haven't put in service yet, we're going to steal the parts out of it to get this one going. And then when the parts come in, we'll put that back. It's not even hooked up, so then we can put it back in service. It smoked it. I mean, it burnt these wires. It smoked it pretty good. Had to be a hell of a smell. So to get this lid switch out, I got to pull the lid off. And to do that, I got to take the front cover off. Normally I wouldn't take parts out of another machine, but I haven't put this one in service yet, so it's going to be to pull them apart like this. There's two screws in here. And then this thing just hinges up to the back. Close up. Voila. That's how you open up a top loader. Now what we're trying to do is take this little puppy out. There's a screw right here. And that's how it works. When the lid's down, it pushes that switch up. When the lid's up, it does that and the switches release. And the reason I'm taking it apart is because those two switches in there I can buy for like pennies on the dollar compared to spending 50, 60 bucks on this whole part that I don't need. See, there you go. So since the other one's so burnt up, I will change the whole thing because it'll be faster for this. But normally I would just pull out the parts, but since it's so corroded, and see, I think it just rubbed up against that housing. Nail. I will go ahead and put this back together before I walk away. I'll also make a note of what part I need to order. I can fix this right away, but now instead of having two machines down, I just have one. I think Mayberry would hire me to be a repair guy. Okay, let's take all our tools. Do this just in reverse, same thing we did before. Just trying to get it away so it'll fold open better. There's nothing up here to repair, so we'll put this back together. As we drop our screws. Come on, old girl. See, they have little hangers here. They actually hang onto themselves, so it's not going to fall off. That's attached to this, and that just rolls right in it. Take out the slightly crispy one. Now, see, it's melted all the way back here. I'm going to cut these wires back here, and I'm going to put new ends on them. This one had the same problem. I fixed it, and we haven't had a problem since, but it's pretty scary when you see stuff that's melted like that. It means it caught on fire. Now the power's on, so that's good for me. I always like to work with live electricity. So I happen to go to Starbucks to get coffee, I can get energized this way. Come on.
See the smoke on the backside? This is where I think it arced right here.
I think it rubbed up. I think the wire just did this. That's exactly what I think it did. And so I'm gonna have to check this to see if it's vibrating when it's moving, because it could be not secured real well or level, because there isn't a whole lot of juice going through this. It's just, I want to say it's 24 volt even. Oh, come on. There we go. Test it. Hear it clicking. I am going to get a rag real quick and wipe this off. I'm also going to take old Smokey to the back. People threw soap in even though it was out of order. That's kind of the norm. I'm just trying to make it so, because you can see this lip in here and it's hard to reach when it's closed. So while we have it open, it's like an overflow. That's all that is. Put the door back on. So all we got to do is bolt those down, go give it power, and we're set to go. Let's go. I'll turn the power on. There you go. Free wash. So somebody had put money in, and there we go. It's all fixed. It's running water in now. We'll go ahead and let it clean itself. It knows the lid's here, so we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that fun. That's the first time I've ever had to repair that on a top loader. Mostly it's pumps, belts, and bearings. So, till next time, take it easy.